Get Your Splash team back. I am Miss Middleton, and I brought my friends with me again.
Mr. Kevin.
And Mr. Winchell.
Today's lesson is called Move More, Learn Better. And we're going to be talking about physical activity today. Physical activity is something we need to do every day to be healthy. Do you know what physical activity means? Physical activity is any type of movement, including everyday activities like walking the dog, shoveling snow, mowing your lawn, raking leaves, and it could be cleaning chores, as well as sports and traditional activities like running, riding your bike, and working out. I can think of 6 reasons to be physically active for good health. Can you guess one of the reasons that I'm thinking about?
Yeah, first, my favorite one is that your muscles get a little bit bigger and stronger each time you do it.
Yeah. What's inside here that's also a muscle?
Yeah, your heart is also a muscle, and that's maybe one of the most important ones.
Yeah, very good. So when we are physically active, we're making our heart stronger. What about you, Mr. Winchell? Can you think of another reason physical activity is good for our health?
I can. So when you exercise, you get your heart rate going, which pumps blood through your body, which helps get nutrients, oxygen to your lungs. So that's a very important and strong benefit of exercise.
Nice. What's
Yeah.
another one that I'm thinking about, do you think?
Okay, so when you start moving all your blood around your body, when you go to bed at night, you're gonna sleep a whole lot better.
Yeah, and sleep's really important for our health, isn't it?
Yeah, and for your body to recover from the exercise that you've just done.
Nice.
All right. Another benefit is it helps keep our bodies at a healthy weight. So when we exercise, it helps our bodies burn calories, and when we burn calories, we can stay at a healthy weight.
Nice. Is there any reason why physical activity can help us in school?
Yeah, absolutely. So when you work out and you move your body all around, it's going to help your mind work a little bit better, a little faster. And you're going to be able to pay attention. You'll probably be able to retain a little bit more information as well.
Nice.
Also, something with exercise is hopefully you're having fun. All right. And when you're done running, playing sports, your body feels good. So it helps you feel good and have fun.
Yeah, and happy, right? You release endorphins into your brain and it actually makes you a lot happier.
Nice. You guys were thinking of all the reasons that I was thinking of. How many minutes a day should we exercise?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. That's 60 minutes equals
1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Now, what if I don't have an hour to exercise? I don't have enough time in my day to do 1 hour all at once. What do I do then?
Yeah, so you don't need to do the whole hour at one time. You can break it up, into 15-minute segments, or maybe you've got a half hour. So, maybe before you hop in the shower in the morning, maybe you do 15 minutes or a half hour, and then maybe later you do the other parts. And that's okay too.
So I can add all those activities up to be 1 hour.
Yeah.
Nice. Very good. All right. So sometimes this time of year we get stuck inside because the weather is not cooperating and the weather is too bad to go outside. So we thought we would show you a couple ways that you can be active indoors. And we'd like you guys to stand up and do them with us. So the first thing that we're going to do is I want you to check your heart rate, check your heartbeat. You can take your hand and put it over your heart and feel it that way. That's one way. You can do what Mr. Kevin is doing, and he's feeling on his wrist for his pulse or his heartbeat. Or you can put your hand on one of the grooves on the side of your neck, and you can feel your heartbeat. Just put it lightly, don't press hard. Just put your fingers very lightly and you should feel your heartbeat. Right now it should be pretty slow because we haven't been exercising, and we're going to periodically check our heart rate as we go through these exercises together. All right, so the first one that we're going to do is we're just going to be balancing on one foot. So pick your favorite foot, pick your other leg up off of the ground, and as we're doing that, let's take our hands and put them up here towards the ceiling. And see if we can balance here. Yeah, so ready? We're going to count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Let's try the other foot. Pick your other foot up. And this time we're going to put our hands out to the side and balance here. Ready for 10 seconds. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right. Mr. Travis, can you demonstrate the knee chest, which is our next exercise? Nice. All right, everybody, here we go. Let's go for 20.
20. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Mr. Kevin, could you demonstrate some side bends for us?
Sure.
All right. And how many would you like us to do, Mr. Kevin?
Let's do 10.
All right. 10 total?
Yeah, sure.
All right, here we go, everybody.
Okay.
We'll start this way first. Here we go. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10.
Mr. Winchell, would you demonstrate how to do some squats?
Squats. All right. These are one of my favorites because it works all your big muscles in your legs. So you want to get about shoulder width stance. All right. Go down nice and slow.
Kind of go back on your heels too, right?
Get that backside low and then back up.
Good.
All right.
Yeah, you-
Breathe out, down, inhale back.
And you want your back of your legs to kind of be like, make like a square with your knees.
Like we're sitting in a chair?
Just like we're sitting in a chair.
Yeah.
All right, how
Thanks,
many should we
Mrs.
do, Mr.
Let's
Winchell?
do 10.
10. And where would you like our arms?
I actually like to put my arms out front like that.
All right,
Okay.
you can choose to put your arms out here, or you can choose a different way if that's too hard. And here we go.
Here we go. Ready? Nice and low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Keep it up.
6. Breathe out. 7, 8. 2 more. 9. Last one. 10. Very good.
Man, really pushing it.
Let's take a short pause and check your heartbeat really quick. It should be going a little bit faster this time. Nice job. All right.
All right.
Let's
Cool.
move on to our next exercise, and this one is going to be some small arm circles. Now here, we don't have a lot of space, so I'm going to choose to put my arms up just a little bit so I don't hit Mr. Kevin or Mr. Winchell.
Thank you. Thank
At
you.
home,
So
you can
thoughtful.
keep your arms out straight to the side, or if you don't have a lot of space, you can put your arms up a little bit too. So we're going to do 10 forward and 10 backwards. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now backwards.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. All right. Mr. Kevin, can you please demonstrate some jumping on 2 feet for us?
Sure. So how high do we want to go with these jumps?
I would say probably a little bit on the lower side. We don't want anybody to get hurt.
That's a good
Not
point.
tuck jumps, but just jumping in place.
Okay, sounds good. I'm just gonna jump, jump, jump. I don't know if you can actually see my feet.
Okay.
I think we all pretty much know what a jump looks like.
All right. And
All
where
right.
would you like our arms at?
Wherever they feel comfortable.
Mr. Kevin, how many are we doing?
Let's do 15.
All right. Here we go. Jump with us. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice job. And our last one that we're going to do today is running in place. And I think we all know how to do that one. Mr.
All right.
Winchell, how long would you like us to run in place?
We are going to run in place for 30 seconds. We're going to see how elevated we can get our heart rate. So
All right.
as soon as we're done, we're going to check Wherever you choose, I want to see how fast your heart's going.
Is it okay if I'm really fast
Yeah.
when I run in place? All right.
Absolutely, here we go.
All right, ready? Go!
I'm totally beating you.
Keep going, everybody, don't stop.
Okay, we're halfway.
Keep going, you can do it.
Losing steam.
Down to 5 seconds. Stop. All right.
Do you guys hear that? I hear Mr. Kevin, Mr. Winchell, and myself, we're breathing heavier, so we just gave our lungs a workout. And let's check our pulse. Wow,
Oh yeah, mine's beating a lot faster.
mine is too. I can actually feel my heart going thump thump in my chest. I hope you guys can feel your heart beating faster too. Thanks for joining us today for our Move More, Learn Better lesson. Remember to exercise outside or inside. Exercise by yourself, with your friends, or your family. Try to get to that goal of 60 minutes every day. See you next time.
Thanks, guys.